can be many reasons for this, and you can do plenty of things to help them. Dogs can develop a cough for various reasons, as disconcerting as it can be for the owner to hear. Keep in mind that a cough often sounds worse than it is and usually resolves itself without medical intervention. However, sometimes dog coughing can be a symptom of a more serious health condition requiring veterinary attention. It can be tough to tell each diagnosis apart regarding dog coughing unless you're a trained professional. If you're worried about your pet or you think the coughing is getting worse, seeking professional help is the best thing to do. This is a pretty constant cough. It will likely sound like your dog is choking, as it is sharp and quick. This type of coughing is highly contagious, named due to the ease of contracting when left at a boarding kennel facility. Your dog can contract kennel cough from being in proximity to other dogs suffering from the condition. Exposure can come from the dog park, a rescue kennel, or doggy daycare. Having said that, most canine establishments have stringent guidelines that don't allow sick dogs on the premises. If your dog has kennel cough, it will typically run its course in 3 weeks for healthy adult dogs, seniors, or puppies. This can be closer to 6 weeks. This is a raspy, long wheezing type of cough. It is not contagious. Your dog can develop a sore throat from having something scratch his throat or from barking excessively. This condition varies on a case-by-case basis, but it shouldn't last for more than a week. Dogs that bark non-stop when left alone or play too rough with their toys are the most likely to contract this condition. Sore throat in dogs. Only allowing your dog to have access to safe toys and removing sticks that he could find in the yard is a must to prevent this type of dog coughing. This is especially important if your dog has hurt his throat in the past. Dog coughing is also a symptom of heartworm. Heartworm isn't spread through contact with an infected animal but from the bite of an infected mosquito. All unvaccinated dogs are unfortunately at risk of this condition. Vaccination is advised for all dogs, and not just in the geographical areas where mosquitoes run rampant. This is a common misconception, and many dog owners feel as though their dogs will be safe as they live in the city or have indoor dogs. Unfortunately, this isn't the case. Heartworm is an equal opportunity medical concern, and even the healthiest indoor dogs can contract it. There are certain holistic treatments available on the market, but veterinary treatment is advised as this is such a serious condition. Imagine something between a duck quacking and a cat hissing, and you'll be able to tell what this type of dog coughing sounds like. The cough is caused by your dog's tracheal collapsing, so it's not contagious. It is caused by long-term respiratory illness or a genetic predisposition. It is most commonly seen in small breeds. Specific breeds seem to be more prone to developing this condition. There is not yet enough research to say categorically what specifically causes tracheal collapse. According to veterinarians, a cough associated with canine distemper will sound like persistent wheezing with rattling in the lungs. Other symptoms can include fever, nasal discharge, weeping eyes, and abnormal jaw shaking. Canine distemper is highly contagious through airborne particles and can be passed on through all body secretions of infected animals. Even when a dog has come through the other side and is no longer showing symptoms like coughing, it's important to quarantine him away from other dogs for at least 2 weeks as he is still contagious during this period. Not all dogs become severely ill when they contract canine distemper. Their body can fight off the condition within 1 week. Other dogs can take up to 6 weeks to fight their way through. This kind of dog cough can cause your dog's abdomen to show visible signs of strain from the depth of his cough. You may also hear that your dog can only take shallow breaths, as this is a generalized term. Lung problems will depend on the specific diagnosis that your dog receives. An allergy cough sounds like a goose honking, interspersed with gagging. Allergies are not contagious, but allergens can be picked up and brought into the home, resulting in an allergic reaction. Most likely, your dog was born with allergies. In some cases, they can be developed from overexposure to an allergen. The body seeing a particular foreign body as a threat then results in the histamine response to defend the body. One of these defenses is a cough. This will last a lifetime but can be managed once you determine which allergen is causing the issue. Certain breeds are known to be more likely to suffer from allergies. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.